IITM Pravartak just launched something that's shaping how intelligent systems are actually built today. Let me explain to you. Take a look at what's happening right now. Across industries, companies are struggling with one common problem. Their systems work in isolation but break the moment things get complex. What they are realizing is this: the issue isn't capability, it's context. Systems don't fail because they're not powerful enough. They fail because no one designs the environment they operate in. That's where context engineering comes in. Context engineering is about deciding what a system sees, what it remembers, what information it can access, and how it moves across steps without losing intent. It's the difference between something that responds and something that actually works. To address this exact gap, IITM Pravartak has launched India's first advanced engineering program in applied AI and ML with context engineering. And before you think this is purely academic, it's not. The program starts with a bridge course, then moves into hands-on learning through the AI clinic, where real enterprise problems are solved, and become part of communities like the Breakfast Club, where real system-level conversations happen. Because as systems become more intelligent, context engineering is what separates experiments from reliable systems. And that's exactly what this program prepares you for. So if that's where you want to be, then apply now.